In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch your business with Google Workspace tutorial. 5 minutes. We'll set up your professional email, connect your domain, and prepare your team in one smooth flow. First, head to the Google Workspace website. You can use any modern browser. The homepage highlights the core apps: Gmail, Calendar, Drive, and Meet, so you know exactly what you're signing up for. Click Get Started or Start Free Trial. The trial lets you explore everything before you commit. If you're doing this for a real business, it helps to have your domain registrar and billing details handy, even though you won't be charged today. Enter your business name, the number of employees, and your region. Choose the region that matches where you operate or where your team is based. This helps with localization and compliance. Next, decide whether to use a domain you already own or purchase a new one through Google. Using an existing domain keeps your brand consistent. Buying a new one here is convenient because setup steps are guided, but either route works well. Create your administrator username and a strong password. This account controls settings for everyone, so pick a professional username you'll keep long-term and store the credentials securely with a password manager. Verify your domain ownership. Google will give you a verification record, usually a TXT record, to add at your domain host. Keep both tabs open, paste the record exactly as shown, save, then return to verify. DNS changes can take a few minutes, so be patient. Activate Gmail by updating your MX records. Replace any existing mail records with the ones Google provides. Save changes at your domain host and confirm back in the setup wizard. Once active, your business email will start routing to Gmail. Open the admin console to add additional users if you have a team. Assign roles thoughtfully. Most people are standard users, while only trusted folks should get admin privileges. Create free email aliases to keep things organized. For example, route general inquiries or billing questions to your primary inbox using simple aliases, so you don't need extra paid accounts. Finally, choose a subscription plan before the 14-day trial ends. Compare storage, security, and meeting features, and pick the plan that matches your growth and compliance needs. You can upgrade later as your team expands. That's it. You've launched your business on Google Workspace with mail, collaboration tools, and admin controls ready to go.